Hello, welcome back everyone to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. So glad you're with us again.
You know, Sam, I have been dreaming about summer all week. The sun, the warm weather, the feeling of having nowhere to be.
Oh, me too. Winter's fine, but summer is special. There's something about it that just makes you feel alive.
And you know what else summer means? Vacation. Time off work, trips to the beach, barbecues with friends, maybe even traveling to somewhere new.
Today, our topic is summer vacation, and we're going to talk about it using a very special grammar structure, be going to.
Be going to is how we talk about plans and intentions for the future, things we have already decided to do, and summer vacation is full of plans.
We'll learn how to form be going to, when to use it, and lots of vocabulary and phrases for talking about summer activities.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to tell everyone about your summer plans with confidence.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly, and whenever we use a word that might be hard to understand, we'll explain it right away.
So, if you hear a word you don't know, don't worry, we've got you.
So, get comfortable. Let's start with the grammar. What is be going to?
Be going to is used to talk about plans and intentions for the future, things you have already decided to do, and summer vacation is full of plans.
The structure is subject plus be, am is are, plus going to plus base verb.
For example, I am going to travel to Spain. She is going to visit her grandmother. They are going to stay at a beach house.
In speaking, we almost always use contractions. I'm going to, I am going to. He's going to, he is going to. She's going to, she is going to. We're going to, we are going to. They're going to, they are going to.
In very casual speech, going to often becomes gonna. It's not correct to write, but you'll hear it all the time. I'm gonna go to the beach. We're gonna have a barbecue.
Good to know for listening, but for now, let's practice the full form.
Now, let's learn some summer vacation vocabulary.
Beach, sandy shore by the ocean. We're going to spend a week at the beach.
Ocean, the big salt water. I'm going to swim in the ocean every day.
Pool, a man-made place for swimming. The hotel has a beautiful pool.
Sun, the star that gives us light and heat. I'm going to sit in the sun and read.
Sunscreen, lotion to protect your skin from the sun. Don't forget to pack sunscreen.
Swimsuit, clothes for swimming. I need to buy a new swimsuit.
Towel, for drying off after swimming. I'm going to bring a big beach towel.
Sandals, open shoes for warm weather. I'm going to wear sandals every day.
Sunglasses, dark glasses to protect your eyes from the sun.
Hat, to protect your head and face from the sun.
Now let's talk about summer activities.
Swim, move in water. We're going to swim in the lake.
Sunbathe, lie in the sun to get a tan. My mom is going to sunbathe all day.
Build sand castles. Make shapes with wet sand. The kids are going to build sand castles.
Play volleyball, a game you can play on the beach.
Have a picnic. Eat a meal outside. We're going to have a picnic in the park.
Go camping, sleep outside in a tent. My family is going to go camping in the mountains.
Go hiking. Walk on trails in nature. We're going to go hiking every morning.
Have a barbecue. Cook food outside on a grill. We're going to have a barbecue with friends.
Go fishing. Try to catch fish. My dad is going to go fishing every day.
Read books. Relax with a good book. I'm going to read at least 5 books.
Travel. Go to another city or country. We're going to travel to Italy.
Visit family. See relatives. I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Stay home. Not go anywhere. I'm not going to travel. I'm going to stay home and relax.
Now let's practice making sentences with be going to about summer.
I am going to go to the beach every weekend.
She is going to visit her cousin in Florida.
We're going to have a big barbecue on the 4th of July.
They're going to camp in the mountains for a week.
He is going to learn how to surf this summer.
I'm going to take a lot of photos.
Notice the pattern. Be plus going to plus base verb.
Now let's practice questions with be going to.
What are you going to do this summer?
Where are you going to go on vacation?
How long are you going to stay?
Who are you going to travel with?
Are you going to swim in the ocean?
Are your family going to have a barbecue?
To answer, you can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Yes, we are, or no, we aren't. I'm going to visit my grandparents. We're going to stay for 2 weeks.
Now, let's practice a full conversation. I'll ask you questions and you answer.
Okay.
So, Alex, what are you going to do this summer?
I'm going to visit my sister and her new baby. They live by the coast.
That sounds lovely. How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for about a week. Then I'm going to come back and have a staycation.
A staycation? What's that?
It's when you stay home but do fun things in your own city. I'm going to visit museums, try new restaurants, and just relax.
That sounds perfect. Are you going to do any traveling later?
Maybe in August. I'm thinking about going to the mountains for a few days. Nothing planned yet.
Nice. Well, whatever you do, I hope you have a wonderful summer.
Thanks, Sam. What about you? What are your plans?
I'm going to visit my family in Canada. We're going to rent a cabin by a lake for 2 weeks.
Oh, that's amazing. Are you going to swim in the lake?
Every day. And we're going to go fishing, have bonfires at night, and just enjoy nature.
That sounds like heaven.
See how natural that conversation is? Just friends sharing summer plans.
Now, let's talk about negative sentences with be going to.
To make a negative, add not after the be verb.
I am not going to work this summer. Contraction, I'm not going to.
She isn't going to travel this year. Is not.
We aren't going to stay in a hotel. Are not.
They're not going to come to the barbecue.
He's not going to bring his swimsuit.
Now let's practice some negative sentences.
I'm not going to work too hard. I need a break.
We aren't going to fly. We're going to drive instead.
She isn't going to bring her phone. She wants to disconnect.
They're not going to stay long, just a few days.
Good.
Now let's learn some time expressions we use with future plans.
This summer. I'm going to learn guitar this summer.
Next week. We're going to leave next week.
In July. They're going to visit in July.
On Monday. I'm going to start my vacation on Monday.
For 2 weeks. We're going to be away for 2 weeks.
At the end of June. She's going to finish work at the end of June.
During the holidays. What are you going to do during the holidays?
These time words help make your plans clear.
Now, let's talk about different kinds of summer vacations. Everyone has different ideas of the perfect summer.
Beach vacation. Sun, sand, ocean. We're going to rent a beach house.
Mountain vacation. Cool air, hiking, nature. They're going to go hiking in the Rockies.
City vacation. Museums, restaurants, sites. I'm going to explore a new city.
Camping trip. Tent, campfire, stars. We're going to camp in a national park.
Road trip. Driving, stopping at different places. We're going to drive along the coast.
Staycation. Staying home. Local fun. I'm going to discover my own city.
Visit family. Seeing relatives. We're going to visit my grandparents.
International travel. Going to another country. She's going to travel to Japan.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases for talking about summer plans.
I can't wait for summer. Excited about summer coming.
I'm looking forward to. Excited about something specific. I'm looking forward to swimming every day.
I've been planning this for months. You planned a lot.
It's going to be amazing. You think it will be great.
Hopefully the weather will be nice. You hope for good weather.
Fingers crossed. A way to say, I hope so.
I need a vacation. You're tired and need a break.
This is going to be the best summer ever. Very excited.
Now, let's bring back Maya. Maya is telling her friend about her summer plans.
Maya's friend asks, so Maya, what are you going to do this summer?
Maya smiles. She's been waiting for this question.
I'm going to visit my family in Egypt. I haven't seen them in 2 years.
Wow, that's amazing. How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for 3 weeks. I'm going to spend time with my grandparents, eat all my favorite foods, and just relax.
Are you going to travel anywhere else in Egypt?
Yes, after visiting my family, I'm going to go to the beach for a few days. I'm going to swim in the Red Sea.
That sounds incredible. I've heard the Red Sea is beautiful.
I've heard that too. I'm so excited. I've been planning this for months.
I'm happy for you, Maya. You deserve a great vacation.
Thanks. What about you? What are your plans?
I'm going to keep it simple this year. I'm going to stay home, read a lot of books, and maybe take a few day trips.
That sounds perfect too. Sometimes the best vacations are the simple ones.
Maya feels proud. She talked about her plans naturally.
Now, let's learn some extra vocabulary for summer.
Heat wave, a period of very hot weather.
Air conditioning, machine that cools the air.
Ice cream, cold, sweet treat.
Popsicle, frozen juice on a stick.
Lemonade, cold drink made from lemons.
Watermelon, big, juicy fruit, perfect for summer.
Flip-flops, simple sandals.
Beach umbrella, for shade on the beach.
Cooler, a box to keep drinks and food cold.
Bonfire, a fire on the beach at night.
Fireworks, colorful explosions in the sky, often on holidays.
Sunburn, when your skin gets red from too much sun.
Sunscreen, lotion to prevent sunburn.
Tan, darker skin from the sun.
Seashells, pretty shells you find on the beach.
Starfish, a sea creature shaped like a star.
Crab, a small animal that lives on the beach.
Now here's your challenge for this week.
Write or say 5 sentences about your summer plans using be going to.
Think about, where are you going to go? Who are you going to go with? How long are you going to stay? What are you going to do there? What are you going to eat? What are you not going to do?
For example, I'm going to visit my cousin in Florida. We're going to stay for 1 week. I'm going to swim in the ocean every day. We're going to eat lots of seafood. I'm not going to check my work email at all.
Write them down. Say them out loud. Practice until they feel natural.
Then come back and tell us in the comments, what are you going to do this summer?
We read every comment. We love hearing about your plans.
Remember, be going to is your friend for talking about plans. It's simple, it's useful, and it makes your English sound natural.
Summer is coming. Get ready to talk about it.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep planning, keep dreaming, and keep practicing.
And hey, before you go, if this episode got you excited for summer, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these fun, practical episodes. Yes, please, and leave us a comment. Tell us, what are you going to do this summer? Use be going to.
We read every comment. Your plans make us smile.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more people share their summer dreams.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go plan that perfect summer.
Bye.